In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ProtonVPN to launch automatically on your Windows computer. Whether you want it to quietly run in the background or have it ready and open on your desktop, I've got you covered in just a few easy steps. So, let's dive in. First, you need to open the ProtonVPN app on your Windows computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you head over to their website to download it and follow our previous guide on installation. Once you have it open, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface that's designed to be both beautiful and intuitive. Now, keep an eye on the left sidebar. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings. This is where we can tweak how the application behaves. Click on that icon. Here, you'll be greeted with the settings menu. It's organized into various categories to help you find exactly what you're looking for without a hassle. In this menu, you want to direct your attention to the General tab. It's usually one of the first options, ensuring that the critical features and adjustments are always within easy reach. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in the General Settings area. Now, within this section, you'll come across a part labeled Auto Startup. ProtonVPN has designed these options to enhance your workflow and make connecting to a secure network seamless every time you turn on your computer. That's why this feature is so handy. You'll see two primary options that you can configure to optimize how the app starts. These are Auto Launch and Auto Connect. Let's break these down. The Auto Launch setting controls whether ProtonVPN opens each time you fire up your computer. This ensures you're always ready to tap into a secure VPN connection without needing to open the app manually. Under Auto Launch, you'll be presented with two choices. You can choose to have ProtonVPN minimized to the system tray. This option keeps the app running in the background while staying out of your way. Perfect for those of you who prefer a clutter-free desktop. Alternatively, you can have it open maximized on your desktop. This way, it's immediately visible and you can access your VPN dashboard with ease. By tweaking these settings, you'll configure ProtonVPN precisely to your preference, enhancing both security and convenience. Once you've made your selections, take a moment to contemplate whether these align with how you typically use your computer. It's about making ProtonVPN work for you. And that's it! You've now set ProtonVPN to start up automatically tailored to your preferred style. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing that your VPN is taking care of you right from the get-go. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and as always, stay secure online.